In this video, we are quickly just going to have a discussion about the things that you are struggling with when it comes to trading. What are the things that you've been struggling with when it comes to trading? We all have struggles with trading. That's why statistics say 90% of traders, especially new traders, actually do not succeed. 10%, around 10%, or it depends on who you talk to. Around 10% the people that are actually succeeding with trading. So let's just have a discussion on some of the things that you are actually struggling with. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I would like to also hear the things that you are struggling with, and perhaps we can start a discussion, and people can come in and actually reply and comment on your thoughts or your comments, the things that you are also struggling with. Maybe we can also share some tips and things like that. For example, myself, the major thing that I've struggled with in forex trading is actually, surprise, is trying to unlearn things. What do I mean about unlearning things? When I started trading, I'm a good student. When I put my mind to learn something new, whether it's programming, whether it's designing, whether it's whatever I put my mind to, I actually go all out and I try and find as much information. I try as much to get as much information that I can get around the subject that I'm researching. So when it comes to trading, I actually did the same. So my first years of trading, I was just a sponge for information regarding trading. I was just taking on information regarding trading. I know thousands, maybe not thousands, but I know many trading strategies in and out, because I actually went out to try and discover the holy grail. I thought I was going to go and discover the holy grail of trading, what really made other people, the 10%, successful, and why were the 90% failing. So I thought I would discover it. So I consumed a lot of information. Now, why is that a bad thing? It's a bad thing because sometimes now when you are trying to trade, you have got so much information. You have got so much information about all the possible scenarios of you can look at one chart maybe in 100 perspectives. The problem with that is sometimes you get what they call analysis paralysis, where you analyze a chart so much so that you cannot even take a trade. That's something that I've basically been dealing with, though. I think for the past year and a half or 2 years, I've basically almost managed to get over it. I found a trade that's simple. If I take a loss, it's still fine, but it's a strategy that I've discovered that just simply is simple, straightforward, and works for me. But I really struggled with a lot of information. I knew too much. Sometimes it's to your detriment. Sometimes it's not a good thing to know so much when it comes to trading. What you actually need in trading, I discovered, is you just need a simple concept. That you can use maybe on a single pair. You just trade. There are people, guys, who just make money on gold. They don't trade anything else. There are people who are just making money on GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD. They don't touch anything else. and they have a simple strategy. They just know the setup that they are looking for, and they work and they go in. They don't look at too many indicators. They don't look at too many fundamentals. They don't look at this and that, 100 other conditions that I probably looked at back then because I had so much information. I'd learned too much for my detriment. So what I discovered is you just need a simple idea, a simple strategy. It doesn't have to be complicated, and you can simply use it to exploit. If it works on gold, just milk it on gold. Don't look at what's happening on Euro USD. Don't look at what's happening on GBP USD, or what's happening on AUD USD. If it's working on gold, maximize it on gold. Just understand that simple strategy that is making you money on gold, and just stick with it. Sometimes we go around looking for the holy grail. I tried it, I could not find it. That was the thing that I struggled with a lot, because I can consume information. I can learn things. I can give myself time to learn something, and I'll learn it. So that's the thing that I've struggled with. I think the major thing that I really struggled with when it comes to trading was now trying to unlearn the things that I did not need. The things that I did not need to complicate my trading, to complicate my life. Let's face it, some of the things that we are just learning, some of it really, you're just complicating your life, which is also why I always caution people against jumping from one mentor to the next, one strategy to the next. I tried many strategies. I would try a strategy today, tomorrow I'm on another strategy, the next week I'm on another indicator, the next week I'll be on another indicator. So I kind of understood the concepts behind the MACD, the RSI, stochastics, and all those things. I really went in depth with those things, but they never really made me profitable. Knowing so much, that's the funny thing about it. With that knowledge, I would not say I was any better than most traders out there. I knew a lot of strategies. I knew a lot of how to combine systems, how to combine indicators and stuff. But I cannot say that made me a super trader, or maybe made me better than most traders out there. No. In fact, after I started simplifying things, that's when I realized I'm actually better off than most other traders out there, because now I just look at my charts, simple things. I just look for my zones. I entered my zones, and when I reach the next zone, I just get out. That's it. No stress. So that's the thing that I really struggled with. I had learned so much about trading to my detriment. Now I had so much information that I could not use. So much information that at the end of it would tell me it's a buy, and it would tell me it's a sell, and it was so confusing. So that's the thing that I struggled with, and I really started teaching myself to unlearn most of the strategies that I'd learned, to start unlearning all the concepts that I'd learned, and to only stick to one concept for me, that is basically supply and demand. For some people, I always say, for some people, moving average crosses work for them. For some people, the MACDs, RSI, stochastics, Fibonacci, and stuff like that. For other people, it's channels. For other people, it's a whole lot of things. It works for them. But I think the key is to only learn one thing that's profitable for you, and just stick with that. Forget about people who are making money with supply and demand or trend lines. If Fibonacci is making you money, just stick with it. if MACD or stochastic cross or overbought, whatever, oversold is making money for you, then forget about the rest. Forget about the rest. It's just going to complicate your trading for nothing. So that's the problem that I actually struggled with. I would like to hear your own struggles. Maybe we can share ideas in the comment section below and just hear the things that you are struggling with or you are struggling with, and maybe we can help each other. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed on this channel so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and make my day. That's the only thing you can do for me. Otherwise, all the things that I give out on this channel is for free. If you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and the sort, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the comment section below. Bye.